Welcome back to another video. This time we're making the Cloud Dodger episode 2. First, I'm gonna make more clouds. Gonna spawn right here and then so there's more cloud. It'll be harder to win. So I'm gonna right click, duplicate this cloud and then duplicate. Now I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna change it red, like all the way here. The other one too, red. And now I'm gonna call it Cloud 2. Now, when green flag click set cat's life to 10, yeah. And inside this forever loop, I'm gonna go to control and then get an if inside the forever loop. And there will be a wait and create clone. Now go to operators. Take the equal sign, like the less than sign. Wait, no, greater than sign. And then go to variable. I'm gonna make a new variable called score for all sprites. I'm gonna set score. Actually, not yet. If score is greater than 24, I'm gonna wait for 3 seconds. And when I start the clone, it's gonna move 8 seconds, 8 steps. If touching edge and if touching cat, yeah. Now I'm gonna go back to cat sprite. I'm gonna set score to 0. I'm gonna get a green flag click. Forever loop. Wait. No. I'm gonna go to cloud and then bring a green flag click. Forever. If no, we don't need that. We just need to put a change score by 1 inside the if touching edge. So when the cloud go to the edge, there will be scores. Now what I want to do is go to cloud 2. If touching edge, I'm going to change score to just 1. Well, 1 should be enough. Now I'm going to make some badge around this corner. So I'm going to paint as right, make it larger, and press the coloring tool, and then beside the fill, press it, and then click this, and then make a peach color, and then pick the square rectangle thingy, and then just do this. I should make it darker, something like that. Good enough. Now I'm gonna make it bigger by pressing shift, so it won't, alt or tanic there. Alternate. Oh, actually smaller by like that, and I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna make it somehow smaller by pressing alternate like that. There. Just alt, and then I'm gonna say I'm gonna go to the text thingy and then change the color to black. And then I'm gonna make it to handwriting and then I'm gonna say hi. Uh, Actually, badge. And then hi. Um, there. Now I'm gonna make it smaller and then put it here. Put it right here. Then I'm gonna name this to badge. And then I'm gonna put it, actually, I'm gonna put um, something here. There. And I'm gonna put it in the middle. Now, when green flag click, I'm not gonna hide it, but I'm gonna set ghost effect to 100, so it will hide it, but not actually hide it. Now, I'm gonna take a forever loop out. I'm gonna do an if, actually, no if. Forever loop, I'm just gonna change, repeat 10. No, I'm gonna take out the forever loop. I'm gonna put a repeat 10 instead. I'm gonna change it to repeat twice. No, 50 times. Change goes effect by 2. So now, wait. Also a forever loop. Wait. Change goes effect by -2 actually. Not 2 because you're just making it like darker. So that will appear when you press the green flag click. That's our first badge. It's called High. I'm gonna make one more badge. It's gonna call Batch 2. It's gonna call uh, Pro. No. Uh, uh, sure. P, capital P, R O. I'm gonna put it right here. Just make it a little bit smaller, like this, like that. There. Now we don't want this repeat because I don't want to appear right when you start. So bring a forever loop and then if score equal, go to operator, bring an equal out. Scores equal to 25. Then we're gonna repeat 50 times. Change goes effect by -2. Actually, change if score is equals 15. I'm just gonna change score by 3 in the cloud just to show it. Now I got a high, but I won't go back because I forgot to add a. I'm gonna duplicate the repeat 50, right click, and then duplicate, and put it underneath, and then repeat 50, change ghost effect by 2. Same as the pro badge, right click duplicate, and then put it under the repeat, not under the if, but under the repeat. Change goes effect by 2. Now I'll just have to wait it for a minute to 15 and I forgot to put it right up. X 194 negative 1 y negative 161 right here. I'm just gonna wait like 0.5 seconds between each goes effect like cause it would be too fast. The person who's playing it might not see it. I'm gonna do it to both of them. Wait 0.5 seconds. Now when you play, like you can see it clearly and not like, look at that, look at this. Now I'm gonna do some effect to the background because it won't be like blue sky forever. So I'm gonna go to backdrop and then uh, click here, delete black backdrop 1, and then right click and duplicate the blue sky. Just leave it like that, and just change the color to yellow, like yellow, these kind of yellow. Now when green flag click event looks, switch backdrop to blue sky 2, and then put the forever loop, and then wait for 25 seconds, and then go to looks, switch backdrop to 2-2. Now you wait for 25 seconds while getting the score. 25 seconds might be long, but not for me, so you can just like adjust it yourself until the way you want it to be. Okay, I'm just gonna wait it like less time by changing it to 5 seconds. It should be enough. That would be too fast. I just saw it like very fast. So after switch your backdrop, you're gonna wait 5 seconds again so you can see. But not for 5 seconds, but for 25 seconds because it'll be boring if you wait that long. Like, okay. Now I'm gonna go to backdrop. I'm gonna duplicate blue sky 2-2. Now it's blue sky 2-3. I'm gonna change it to something orange. Okay. And then I'm gonna bring a switch backdrop to blue sky 2-3. Now I'm gonna duplicate the blue sky 2-3 and make the color to go almost dark time, like a dark, like this. And I'm gonna right click duplicate these two, and then blue sky 4. Now when you play, it'll switch the background. Wait. And after switch backdrop to 2-4, You need to wait for 5 seconds or else it will change back to blue sky 2. So I'm gonna go to control and wait 5 seconds just for testing it. There's the yellow screen. Now there's the orange screen. And there's the black screen. Now I'm just gonna make it to wait 25, 25, 25, and 25. There. This is the end of my episode Cloud Dodger episode 1. Episode 2, because I forgot to change the title of it. Episode 2. This is the end of my episode 2 Cloud Dodger. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe.